Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to share with you guys how to use Instagram Join Chat Sticker. This is a new Instagram story feature that when used correctly can help you gain new leads for your product or services. So make sure that you watch all the way to the end because I'm going to show you how to use it and it's pretty simple. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to build an impactful online business, don't forget to click on that subscribe button today. So let's dive into the tutorial. The first thing that you want to make sure that you do is you have an Instagram story already pre-made. Now, the Instagram story should be of a product or service that you currently offer. This way, when people join the chat, they know what exactly they're joining for. Now, what I'm doing is I'm using my Etsy store. So I have an Etsy store where I help other Etsy sellers by doing critiques and logos and everything else for their business. So I actually did an Instagram story that says, do you need help with Etsy? So I'm going to use that one to clickbait people to click and join my chat. That way I could convert those people into leads. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Instagram account. And from there, you're going to click on your Instagram story. And you're going to add a new story. So go ahead and click on it. Mine is kind of slow right now. Go ahead and select the photo. I already have my photo pre-made. And from here, in your story, you're going to go ahead and press the sticker icon. You're going to go from here and select the chat sticker. And you're going to go ahead and give a name to your group chat. So I'm going to say, let's talk. From here, you could change the color of your chat sticker if you like. And all you have to do is basically press and it will give you different options of colors. So I'm going to go ahead and stick with orange because Etsy is orange. So going to keep it brand related. I'm going to go ahead and position the sticker below my message. So it says, need Etsy help, let's talk. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and post this Instagram story. Now I'm going to give it a couple seconds and I'm going to click back on the Instagram story. And I'm going to put this on my Instagram highlight for... Let's go ahead and do Etsy blog. Now from here, the next step is that you have to give people time to request to join. So you have to give them time. I would say give it at least 24 hours. After 24 hours, you want to swipe up. So you want to go back and select the actual post. And if you swipe up, you're able to see right here on the bottom. Right now, I don't have any, but you will be able to see who requested to join your chat. And from there, you're able to do two different options. You're able to add all the people who requested to join your group chat, or you're able to pre-select the people that you want to talk to and just select, let's say you had 20 people that reached out, but you only want to talk to 10 of those people. And once you do that and you select the individuals or the whole entire group, what happens after that is that all these people will receive a notification in their DMs. And from there, you'll be able to go back to your DM and start a group chat with all these individuals that are interested in your product or services. So it's very, very cool. It's a new feature that Instagram just rolled out. I highly suggest it because if done correctly, you could definitely get new leads and drive more traffic to your business. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about this video or any additional videos that I could do for you in the future, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching.